Okay, some of these
Okay.
levels are in our 7 levels of existence. Some of
Yeah.
these levels are like here and right now. Which one? Sharir. Okay, Sharir, Man, Buddhi, right now, and right
Yeah.
here it is here, right? Okay,
Mm.
then we have memory and intellect
Yes.
and consciousness. Okay, Chitta, and what else do you call it?
Yeah.
So that is subtle. That is our subtle existence, right?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
this part
Yeah.
of our subtle
Yeah.
existence, yeah, so they are always working for us. Okay, that part of our subtle existence, it is working for us
Okay.
all the time. Okay, from when it has
Okay.
been working? Since millions of
Okay.
years. Okay, in every
Okay.
animal it is working.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens, like every animal when they are born,
Okay.
okay, so they
Hmm.
might know how to talk to other people, they might not know how to talk to other people, they might think this is blue or white or whatever, this might be a cube or shape or whatever. So these are all languages. Okay, this is all language. So language comes much later. Okay,
Yeah.
there are some things that are
Yeah.
instinctive, right? Even when the child is just born 2 minutes
Okay.
ago, there are certain things that are instinctive. Okay,
Hmm.
like when you are hungry, you
Yeah.
eat. Okay, when somebody threatens you, you get
Hmm.
scared and run.
Yeah.
Okay, so when somebody threatens your life and
Yes.
well-being, you either,
Wait one
yeah,
minute.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Fight or flight.
fight
Okay.
or flight or freeze.
Fight or flight.
There is
No.
third
Yeah.
also, you freeze also sometimes. Okay, I can
Okay.
neither fight, neither
Okay.
fly,
Yeah.
flee. I can just freeze. Okay, all
Flight.
system shut down.
Okay. Please.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
yeah, so
Yes.
this is the
Okay.
instinct. Then there is an instinct, even if you are not in a civilization, you will still have the instinct to procreate, you will have the instinct to rest yourself. Okay,
So.
so all these instincts
Hmm.
have been coded in every organism since millions of years, since life began. Okay,
Yeah.
and
As a
this
self
is,
defense.
yeah, 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 and this is in your genetic code. Okay, it just gets, the information
Okay.
just gets
Yeah.
passed on in genetic code. Okay, so I will teach you Konkani, I will teach you
Okay.
Marathi, I will teach you Hindi, I will teach you English, whatever,
Hmm.
all, and I will teach you, oh, when you are in
Hmm.
front of people, you should wear clothes, you should have, nice hair, you should brush your teeth and all that. This is all
Hmm.
that comes much later. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so this,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I got
yeah,
you.
yeah, you got it
Okay.
right, yeah. But
Yeah.
simple things like भूख लगी है तो खाना खाओ,
Yeah.
थकान हुई तो सो जाओ, and you need to procreate, so
Hmm.
procreate, find a mate and procreate.
Yeah.
So all these things, they're genetically coded in
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the subtle
Okay. Yeah.
subtle existence that we have. Okay, this subtle existence we can call by different names.
Yeah.
Okay, so you called it ego that day. Okay, it is not
Yes.
only ego, it
Okay.
is a lot many other things.
Hmm.
Okay, in my, from in NLP it is called the unconscious. Okay,
Okay.
it is just a name, it doesn't mean anything.
NLP is natural language
No,
processing.
not natural process. The thing that I do,
Okay.
it's called neuro linguistic programming. Okay, so the coaching that I do in my
Okay.
language,
Neuro linguistic programming.
yeah, yeah, in what I do, NLP, that kind of NLP, behavioral NLP.
Okay.
Okay, in
Yeah.
that it is called
Yeah.
unconscious because somebody decided
Yeah.
to call it unconscious. In our spirituality is called, it is called Guru Tattva. Okay, somebody who's only religious,
Okay. Yeah.
they are not spiritual, they might call it Bhagwan, they might actually create it separate from them and put it
Okay.
here. Okay, and call a Murti Ganesh and Durga.
Akashwani.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
all those things,
Yeah.
but it is one and the
Yeah.
same thing. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
it is always working for you, it is always working for you. Okay, now,
Okay.
yeah, so one, it is always working for you. The second thing is that it does not stop working if you forget to give it other instructions. Okay, so when you were a small child, okay, and
Okay.
father threatened to hit you, Okay, that was a real threat. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And
Yeah.
that,
Hmm.
subtle unconscious mind, that Guru Tattva told you, be scared, fight, freeze, or flee. Okay.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
told in your, internal language. There is a language we speak with that mind, our physical person and our subtle person. We
Okay.
speak in a specific language that is very personal to us. Okay. So when somebody was here to, hit you, threaten
Okay.
you, and threaten your well-being, then you told that unconscious mind,
Hmm.
please save me,
Hmm.
please make sure that I'm alive and well.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And it
Yeah.
started working for you.
Hmm.
It started, gave you that feeling, oh, I have to flee, I will cry, I will do this, I will do that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And now the
Hmm.
situation is no more there. Okay. That
Yeah.
situation of somebody hitting you or screaming at you or something is not there. But the subtle mind is still
Yeah.
working on those instructions that you gave when you were 11 or 12 years old, or even younger.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right. All right.
Yeah.
So I want to work with you
Hmm.
for you to have a friendly and working relationship with that mind.
Okay.
Okay. Right now it is just going on auto mode.
Hmm.
Okay. Like what happens is,
Okay.
you have given some instruction to a machine. Okay. You have given some instruction to an artificially intelligent
Yeah.
machine. Okay.
Hmm.
And the machine is running.
Hmm.
Okay. And then you have forgotten that this machine is running, and you're
Yeah.
saying, अरे कुछ तो हो रहा है, पता नहीं, समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है, and all that. And you forget all the manual, you
Hmm.
lose the manual, you forget what button means what, and all the instruction names are
Hmm.
all washed out and all that. Okay. So now the process
Yeah.
I want to do is to create an instruction manual for you, and to identify which button means what, so that you can communicate with it at any point. So you can say start, you can say stop, you can say this, you can say that. Anything you want to do with this beautiful machine that you have, you can do it.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.